We can all agree on a common fear: demo reels. Everyone faces down the challenge of putting a reel together multiple times in your career. Reels are never easy. Why would you force yourself to endure another process that's exhausting, maybe embarrassing? Why? Because it's the best tool to take the next step forward in your career. With Demo Reel Dash, we'll show you all the tools and techniques that you need to create a killer reel. By the time you've completed the course, you'll not only have a reel you're proud of, but you'll also learn how to stand out from the crowd and land the gig you've always wanted. Your reel is only as good as the people that you can get it in front of. So while we're helping you choose the right shots and find the perfect music, we're also going to teach you how to position, market, and brand yourself. So this mighty masterpiece can help you unlock the next level of your career. You'll also get PDF guides full of tips and tricks on how to make and market your demo reel. And I'm so excited about this, an exclusive podcast featuring the best minds in the industry. So if you're ready to level up to the next step in your career, join us for Demo Reel Dash. I can't wait to see you in class.